Hey everybody, thanks for joining DNA for another video. Today we're in Arenal, Costa Rica, ziplining with Sky Trek. It was a really amazing experience. I recommend it to anyone going to Costa Rica. Sky Trek had 7 cables that went from peak to peak. You really didn't have to walk in between, and you would get to be going up to 43 miles an hour. It was truly amazing. These zip lines overlooked Lake Arenal and the Arenal volcano. The volcano was not visible this day because the clouds were hanging low. On a clear day, you get to see it, but the low-hanging clouds and the mist in the air really made for a magical moment. You ride an open-air gondola up to the top of the mountains, and then you start your ziplining trip down. The footage that we captured during this trip was from our GoPro Hero 9 and the photographer that came along with us on the ziplining adventure. The Hero 9 has amazing video quality, and if you're looking for a GoPro, you can purchase through our link below in the description. There's no added cost to you. Your purchase through our link does help support this channel and bring content to you guys. Ziplining with Sky Trek was an amazing way to see the scenery, to see the rainforest, to see Lake Arenal. We really recommend it to anyone going to Costa Rica.
Nice!
Stand up, drive the cable.
Woo! Thank you.
Amigo.
That was killer.
Get your heart pumping.
It's beautiful.
1, 2, 2.5, 3.
Woo! Wow, yeah.
Yeah, mi amigo. Okay, mi amigo.
All right.
Okie dokie.
Dokie.
Ready, senor?
We good? Mm-hmm.
Ready to fly again.
Ready to fly.
All right.
Woo-hoo! Woo! Yeah! Woo, that time you were cooking.
Okie dokie, amigo. You got this.
Ready?
I'll tell you. 1, 2, 3. Look back.
Woo! Costa Rica is known for their ziplining, and this was absolutely one of the best ziplining experiences we've ever had. It was really amazing.